Example 6, we're going to graph this function. Now, again, we're going to go back to example 4. If you look at example 4, part B, it's the same thing. So the first two steps are find the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote. So we've got a vertical at -1 and a horizontal at +4. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and have a grid. You guys are going to have to draw that by hand. But we can go ahead and draw in our asymptotes. We've got a vertical asymptote at -1 and a horizontal asymptote at +4. Okay, step 3. Plug in 0. F of 0. If you plug in 0, you're going to get -2. So we've got the point 0 and -2 right there. 0, -2. Step 4. Find the x-intercept. X-intercept is going to be where the top equals 0. So 4x minus 2 equals 0. Add 2, divide by 4, you're going to get 1/2. X equals 1/2. X equals 1/2. That's your intercept right there. Step 5 is figure out if your graph crosses the asymptote. And so you take the function 4x minus 2 over x plus 1 and set that equal to your horizontal asymptote, which is 4. Horizontal asymptote from step 4. Okay, so what I would do here is cross multiply. You're going to have 4x minus 2 equals 4x times 4 times x plus 1 is 4x plus 4. Notice those 4x's cancel out, leaving us with -2 equals 4. That's false. And so what that tells me is that it does not cross. My line is not going to cross this axis. All right. So if you're looking at it, you might be guessing that it's going to look something like this, and that would actually be a pretty good guess. But we need to nail down some points, and that's where step 6 comes in. Step 6, we're gonna make a table, and so I'd like to think about what I can't plug in. I can't plug in an x number of -1. So we need to think about, make sure we don't plug in an x value of -1. We need to plug numbers to the left, so maybe like -3 and -2. Plug in numbers to the right. Well, we've already done 0, and we got -2. And if we plug in 1/2, we're going to get 0. We've already got those points graphed over there. But we could plug in something else, like 1, maybe. Be good. So if you don't want to do the calculations yourself, you need a calculator like this. Notice I've already plugged in the formula 4x minus 2 over x plus 1. We can look at the graph and see what it looks like. But I like looking at the table. And so when they plug in -3, we're going to get 7. -3 and 7. Plug in -2, you get 10. Ooh, I think I graphed that wrong. -3 and 7. -2 and 10. And if you plug in 1, +1 would give you 1. +1 and 1. Something like that. So we can draw our curve through, make sure we're approaching our asymptotes.